All right, so let's go ahead and start with a text view. Okay, text view is like, one of the probably the most common views, and you're going to use this more often than the other, like, other than layout views. So text is sort of like a label, and it's if you want to think in UI kit terms, it's probably a UI label is the best way to think about it. Okay, it displays the content that you want to display, but you don't want it to be interactive. Basically, user can type in and stuff like that. That's what text field is for. Okay, so the way text actually goes is you just say text and you define your text right there. So there are various different overloads. So you start with the content. If you want to provide your for example, your strings, right? So you can simply say like that, right? And that'll actually print out the text for you for that location, like we have done here for DevTechie. Okay, now other overloads are also there. So if you do init, you can actually see you have date. So you can put dates, range. You can do date interval. You can put image, attributed text, verbatim, style, format, and this is actually something that you can use to format, put a date and the format. And you're gonna see some examples, as you go through the course, you're gonna use various of these, and you're gonna see examples there. But yeah, you have localization available by default. So all you need to do is select this, whatever you type in here, that's going to be your localization key, your table name if you're using localized file with a different name, that name, bundle, and comment. Okay, so that's actually what this localized version looks like. By default, SwiftUI text is localizable. So first thing is going to be, if I'm typing DevTechie here, what Swift is going to do is SwiftUI is going to do is basically look for if there's any localized key name DevTechie. If there is, it's going to basically replace with that localized entry. Otherwise, it's going to treat this as the content to be displayed within the label. Okay, so that's text overview, text views overview. Okay, in the next video, we're going to start looking at various different modifiers that we apply on text.